Conscientiousness, care, commitment and precision are the pillars on which Janata X-Ray laid its foundation in 1978. By continuing the legacy of delivering accuracy with high trust, Janata X-Ray has expanded to Star Imaging and PathLab Private Limited in the year 2004 with world-class and advanced diagnostic facilities available in the world. We at Star have developed a culture of being responsible in every stage and are dedicated to give highly precise end results which contribute in positive impact on individuals' life. Star Imaging will always be the first preference of doctors, and patients can choose out of 18 world-class centers for any kind of superlative diagnostic service existing in the world. We have cared for more than 16 million lives through our ultra-modern diagnostic facilities. Our radiology department, where you will find some of the ace amenities of diagnostic arena, radiography section of Star Imaging covers almost all aspects of diagnosis from digital X-ray, sonography and CT scan to DentaScan, MRI and mammography. Star Imaging is North India's first center to have 5-beat and non-invasive cardiac angiography where patients can directly come for diagnosis to get unbiased results. The pathology department's working environment is sincere to deliver output, but at the same time, it also promises lovable atmosphere to every patient, as we know how much traumatic it is while giving out samples. Inside our pathology section, we have fully automated lab with bi-directional interface and barcoding with 100% backup of every machine. Each and every process is individually headed by some of the best brains in the industry. And yes, we are also equipped with a facility of blood collection from your doorstep. In cardiology department, full-time DM cardiologists are always available to provide you par excellence services. Our cardiology is outfitted with ECG facility, the Philips 12 lead. Treadmill-based stress test or TMT is also accessible inside premises which show you the instant condition of your heart, and the whole procedure is supervised by expert doctors. Star Imaging under its Women Wellness program shows their deep gratitude towards womenness, where our only objective is informed to make them empowered. We are directed towards our motto, Save Girl Child. Think of a world without us. Another program we are running is Star Education, where the only focus is to make India digital and much more skillful. Star also knows its responsibility towards balance in the ecosystem, and the Green Initiative program is a part of it. Star Imaging is one of the most premier diagnostic labs of the country, which got NABH and NABL accreditation for radiology and pathology both. Through our state-of-the-art culture, now we have more than 16.4 million happy customers in our family. Going by the technology, tech-savvy customers can book their appointment and get their test results on phone through Star Imaging apps for Android and iOS. Star Imaging also offers hefty discount to its Star Lifestyle card holders. Even the card is also applicable at transaction from associate partners outlets too. Star Imaging is bringing the most suitable innovations of the diagnostic world into the life of every class, because
at Star we care.
At Star we care.
At Star we care.
At Star we care.
At Star we care.